Hello po. Ito po yung sa pagkain sa Saudi. Ang tawag nila rito ay faham. So, inihaw siya ng manok, Saudi style. Then we have here this chicken shawaya. They call it chicken shawaya. This is like grilled also. They are both grilled, but they were cooked differently. Then so we have this one, chili, the onion. Okay, so let's start with our lunch. Come and join us. We have here our friends. It's contrary to the light. Okay, let's start. The sweet Saddam. It's possible? This one. How we can do mukbang here? We can possible? No. From here. From here, sir?
After down, you have no problem.
No?
This is your mobile down problem.
Huh? We cannot. You cannot see it.
I take one stand better.
Next time. Okay.
Okay. Only me.
Okay, let's start. Start karo.
Okay.
आदमी रखने
Okay.
hold up over there.
Too much this one, Saddam. We'll take aside this other one because maybe not
Yeah.
finish this one.
Okay.
Put this one.
Keep it here.
This one is here.
Huh? It's too much this one, boy. From where this one, Saddam?
Put this one.
No, after we'll check.
This is your Bukhari. There.
I'm good.
मैं जरा कोसा कर बनाता हूँ.
क्या बोलता भाई?
Very good chili.
But the light is the camera is contrary to the one, no? You are getting blacker, Saddam, in this video.
What is the khadi? क्या बेटा खूब जलेगा Karthik, too much feel jealous.
Why? Check this one. This is Saudi style barbecue, chicken barbecue, and this one also. It's a whole chicken grilled.
This is manager Sarfaraz. I am manager from store. And this one Pakistani for cameraman.
Where?
From Pakistan?
Yeah, from Pakistan. Cameraman.
You'll eat more this one. You don't like this one? This Shawaya? I am surprised, Saddam, why you put this big.
I will tell money, but you
Mukbang.
confirm what you speak. You
No.
speak one sawaya. You not eating half and full.
But only 3 of us. How about it?
इसको रख देना चाहिए
Hello, how are you? All my friends.
But the camera is not good really.
So you're not eating chili, sir? What happened? This chili from Philippines.
No? See, this is already half of chicken. So about this maybe 700 grams this one. This one is the same. Maybe 1000 grams this one. Almost 1 kg. And Saddam will eat all of this one.
Yes, and too much jumbo bread.
More rice, bhai. This rice is actually what do you call this one, Saddam? Is it basmati or
Basmati rice.
if you can see the rice, it's not the typical we have in the Philippines. Hindi po siya dikit-dikit. Tignan niyo, buwag-hag siya. Pero masarap siya, malalaki.
बस तो यार हो वाला दम है पूरा स्टूडेंट में डाल हो गया दिस अनदर राइट
Ah, just put half please.
यस
Because maybe we cannot eat all this one.
But
Huh? Why? This one, we will eat this one?
Yeah.
We will eat this one, huh?
In night you can
Now, binabalot niya na po yung pagkain, hindi pa kami tapos. Okay. Why are you packing up this one now? We are not yet done eating.
Okay.
Parang si Mang Inga kumakain, nagbabalot habang kumakain.
Tanada dunia panada lo.
I'll give this one for my cat, huh? Huh?
Yeah, of course. Your cat too much pagal, not going mess too much eating there.
Too much alsi. That's why. Okay, sige, tapusin ko na po itong mukbang namin. Hindi naman namin maubos to eh. Because this whole chicken about more than 2.5 or kg. Okay, salamat po. Bye.
See you.